For publishing your podcast, you can sign up in Anchor FM. So I have already got in that page, Anchor FM. So if you are new to Anchor FM, you can sign up by giving your email ID and username and password. I'm already having a user ID, so I'm just logging in. So log into the Anchor. So here there are several options to publish your audio file. You can start a new episode, and here I am having few episodes which are prepared earlier. So this is the episode name and date created, length of the audio which I am included, and the how many times these audios were played. And for creating a new episode, you just click on this tab. So here you can see click to upload or drag files here. So you just click on this one to upload your file, audio file, or directly you can record. A live recording is also there in Anchor, but it is always better to have recording with Audacity, and you do your editing process, and then you can upload to this Anchor FM. And some more options are also there, you can exploit that one also. And now I am uploading my already prepared mp3 file. Click to upload or drag files here. So voice for podcast, this is the file I have prepared. It is getting uploaded. Usually this Anchor is a very fast processing website. In one episode you can add many related audio files, so you can even generate income from this podcasting. It is possible in podcasting by adding advertisements like in YouTube. So now it is uploaded. Some background music you can add. You just click on that. You select any one of the background music based on your interest. Say preview, you can hear a preview here.
Dear friends, today I am sharing with you a shortcut technique to recall the taxonomic order. Keep the following sentence in your mind. Dear King Philip, come over for good soup. Now, let's find out the taxonomic order from this statement. Once again,
Click on
the
apply.
sentence to remember is:
So now you can save the episode. So episode options, episode title you can give. So I'm giving here as memory tips. Memory tips. Already I am having 2 episodes in that name, so I'm giving memory tips 3. An episode description can also be given. So we can give it as listen to the steps for memorizing the biological facts. So here you can customize this episode by uploading new episode art. You select one picture from your gallery. So then you can publish now. So here now the audio file is get uploaded, so you can hear the audio.
Dear friends, today I am sharing with you a shortcut technique to recall the taxonomic order. Keep the following sentence in your.
Okay, so the link of this audio file can be copied from here. If you just paste this link on your browser, you can access the audio. That is one of the beauty of this Anchor FM, in which there is no need for any player or no login is required for this one. Just this will work with your web browser. So you can share your audio clips to the students by giving this link, and they can hear the audio by just pressing on here.
Dear friends, today I am sharing with you a
in your dashboard, you can see. So I have given that name, Voice of Ansil, and this is your podcast performance. All this you can see, and in you can start even a new episode, or you can add one more audio file to the existing episodes. See, if you want to add one more audio files to the existing episode, you just click here. You can add one more audio file. So edit option, you click on edit option, and here you can add one more audio file if you want. Then you give save changes. So this is the way you can add more audio files to an existing episode, and by clicking on this tab episodes, you can see all the episodes, and that episodes contain how many audio files that you can even see. So in this setting button, update setting option is there. In that update setting option, you can customize, you can write about your podcast, a description to the podcast. I have already given podcast name as Voice of Ansil, podcast description as Listen to Learn, and even this podcast cover art you can change according to your interest. So now your audio file is got uploaded in the Anchor FM, and you can share it with anyone you want. So you can share with in Facebook, Twitter, or link can be shared. That's all. Thank you.